One, two. We're gonna check the homies this morning. Smashing everyone. Let's see what happens. They all die. You see Chicken Kid right there? He just died, but don't shoot the body.
Smoke kush, so I got no stress. Starting it ain't no contest. Diamonds all in my Rolex, cause I go hard like P90X. See you dudes copying our moves. Now you following our steps. Little kids just in the mirror, all insecure, just trying to flex. Speaking of flex, shout out to Flex. And everyone else that said dude is next. Tell these lame niggas cut the check. Tried to rest, now try the best. Gangsters, trippy niggas, all here. With me nigga, my weed, so strong. My brain, so long, ooh, outer space, so long, ooh, my chain, so long, ooh, my bang, so long, ooh, like I was playing poker, ooh, my face all on the telly, so fuck what they tell me. I always keep it real, cause people love the real me. They ran up on my bus, cause police said they smell me. So we in LOL, they blowing smoke in LA. Flossing, straight flossing, they stranding, we cross them. My chain bang, they cost them, they hating, we awesome. So back on drinking lately, I've been thinking, I've been partying too much and living like the weekend. And then I think about what my life could be, that's when I pour another drink and light this weed. You really sure you want to grow? If they say like me, I'm living haters, they think of it. That's paper, I'm getting it.
Alright, people, we're gonna try Chicken Kid and see what happens.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard,
diamonds all in my brain, nigga. Gold watches, gold chain, nigga. $100 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on a plane, nigga. Buying gear, flying here. Fuck with Florida, it's my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up so I can love it. That's nigga so much swag, but I don't want it back, my nigga. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet before it's on the rack. Was I surrender white, now I'm going back, my nigga. I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles, it's gonna be hard to drink. But I'm still growing up and my family here, and they pulling up so the bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm doing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's where I come from, home. You know it. The bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm doing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's where I come from, home. You know it.
play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard,
Got your pretty ass up in this fucking car. Get your mouth this world, girl, you know I'm a star. Used to buy around, but now we by the bar. Last year they had the app, now they know who we are. Oh shit, walking the building, I own shit. You tell about who I'm on the phone with. Yeah, nigga talking about grown shit. Nigga too busy jacking my swag. Get your fucking gun, get your own shit. Get your own cars, get your own clothes, get your own smoke, get your own bitch. You ain't rapping my gang, get your own click. Bigger the bill, the harder you fall. Well, I'm doing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why
Alright, back to the...
Alright, I want to give a shout out to the homie King, my cousin B, my other cousin Skunk, and my brother Gene. This is the homie Commander. What's up? Alright, peace!